Hello everyone, my name is Philip Blake from the PBM'S channel, and on today, I've got something really cool to show you guys. This Thomas & Friends Trackmaster Motorized Railway Race Set. Race head-to-head around the railway. Some of them call it Thomas & Percy's Railway Race Set because it comes with Thomas and Percy. Streamlined Thomas, Racing Percy. So it's based on the movie The Great Race, which I do have it on DVD and digital HD. You should go check it out. And there's also the Blu-ray one. Yep. That is at Walmart, I saw, but yeah. But anyways, but first, before I show you this is the whole track set looks like. I already have it assembled. I tried these Trackmaster trains. And I've tried one of the old Trackmaster trains, Duncan. He was like really, really fast. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. Here is Thomas the tank engine, or Thomas the streamlined tank engine. He has his racing face on. And here's Racing Percy, or Percy with racing stripes. His racing face on. So I'm going to start the race. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Percy has won. Now we're going to try it again. Okay, we're going to do this again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I forgot to do that. Reset the bridge, but that's alright. Another victory for Percy. Now I'm going to do one last race. Let me set the bridge up this time. And this, let me give you a close at this. There's the lights. I'll show you the whole track set. And there's the bridge with the Great Race sign. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the Great Race poster. And here's where they pass through the checker flags. Anyways, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh. Thomas got stuck. Okay. Thomas has won this time. So yep, that was the review on the Thomas and Percy's Railway Race Set. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm almost to 100 subscribers. So, see you all next time. Bye.